Greetings, class. I'm going to talk to you about your research project. All the information you need is in your Google Classroom. There's a slideshow, a note sheet for you to type your notes, and a text set for research. When you begin looking at the slideshow, you're going to have all the basic information for your project. Sorry about that. First off is the objective. You're going to research a question about social media, form an opinion, and persuade others using the research you found. And you'll share your findings by creating a Google slideshow. Here are some example questions. If you need help coming up with a question, you can explore this text set as a way to maybe get a better idea about what you could ask. Here are our steps. First is forming your question. So when you come up with your question, you're going to decide what you need to know next and what you want to know more about. And once you have a question, you need to research it. So you need to look up information. A good place to start would be Newsela, TextSet, and the library databases. So to find those things, you'll need to be back in your Google Classroom. I have a text set for Newsela. It includes lots of different information from different sources about social media and teens. You could use any of these articles, or you could always search in the search bar. There are many articles here. If one fits your topic, go ahead and use it, read it, and maybe form an opinion. If you can't find it, you might search social media in the text bar and see what you come up with. Or perhaps search your topic, whether that's Snapchat or Facebook or cyberbullying. You can search for it right there. And this might give you a good place to start. Another place to start is our library databases. You're going to find these links in your social media research notes paper. So right here, there's a link to the library databases. First, it has research tools and online encyclopedias. You have databases here. I like this one. What these do is they give you lots of different articles from different places. Once again, in the search bar, you can search for social media or your specific topic and see what comes up. How social media changed teens' lives forever. Facebook and free speech. Social media bad for the minds of young people, right? Maybe not. So notice they have several different articles here. And you can search whether they're newspaper, magazines, or even websites. So lots of information. Once you've read and found the information you need to take some notes. You'll go back to your note sheet where you have your topic listed, your research question, and you will start to form your own opinion. You'll write what you think, your opinion, and the reasons you believe that. You'll also take really good notes on the separate page. You can cite your source. For right now, you can just add the web link from the article that you like. If I like this article, I can copy the URL and use it and keep the link in my notes. We're going to create a bibliography page, and all we'll need is the URL. Not what I needed. Going back, I'll try that again. Control C. All right, so I will go back to my notes. I will cite my source. Oops, still didn't do it. All right, looks like third time's the charm. And this link will take me back to my article. I also need to put the date at which I accessed the article. I'm going to need that for my bibliography. And then I can take some notes. I can pull a direct quote from the article if I'd like, something word for word that I really liked. I can pull a direct quote, copying and pasting into my notes, but I need to make sure that I put that in quotation marks and highlight that it's a quote. Okay. I can also do things like put it in my own words, or write a summary of the article, or maybe pull a fact and statistic, and I can make as many notes as I need. Once I have finished my note sheet, I have my own opinion formed and lots of research to back it up. I can get started on my slideshow. To do that, I will need to look at the slideshow I provided that will tell you what needs to be on each slide. I will create my own slideshow using Google Slides and fill in my information. As I'm creating my slideshow and referencing what my research, I can use in-text citations, which are parentheses, all right, with the author's name or the website title in it, or I could use a sentence starter, like according to the Washington Post, or based off this article about teen suicide, and things like that. Then I don't need the parentheses. Once I have my slideshow complete and all my information included, I need to create a Works Cited page. The easiest way to do that is to use EasyBib. I'll take the links and it will become something like this. Let me show you how to do that. If I take the URL that I had in my notes and I paste it into EasyBib and click Cite It, it'll gather my information. Now I can say whether it was a website, a book, a video, or a film, a journal, or a database. This one was a database. And I can see a blog post, a digital image, online magazine, the article, and it'll ask me a few bits of extra information that I can fill out and I can create the citation. However, if I am using Discover ProQuest, they do have a lovely button called Cite where I could just copy the citation right there. So that's always fun too. So whether you use ProQuest and copy the citation or create your citation using EasyBib, you can use this to create your Works Cited page, which will be your last slide in your slideshow. Awesome. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks. Bye.